Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my VidInc review, demo and $3,275 bonus. Now this is a must-have software if you are into video marketing or even if you just want to make some easy money online, because video marketing is huge and is only getting bigger. Every single person out there online or even offline want to use videos to sell their products, to sell their services, etc. So again, if you are using videos currently in your business, this is a must-have because it will just create videos for you automatically. And if you're just looking for a way to make some easy money online, this is it, because you can sell these videos created for you automatically for hundreds of dollars. Okay, so I'm going to show you the sales page, the inside of the members area. We're going to do a little demo and I have a huge $3,000 bonus. I'm going to show you the bonus in the end of this video, but right now let me share my screen and let's jump into this VidInc review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just went to Fiverr and I did a little research on videos. Okay, so short video ads, as you can see, are selling for $100, $300. You know, this is $15, but this is probably for like 10 seconds. 35, 70, 329. So again, you can sell super short videos for hundreds of dollars in some cases. And keep in mind, VidInc will just create these videos for you on autopilot. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done in a second. So just go to Fiverr, do your own research. You know, you can obviously sell videos like this on a bunch of different websites like Freelancer, like Upwork, you know, 99 Designs, any other freelancing websites really. But right now let's check out the sales page, and as you can see, it says VidInc just released your free traffic plus affiliate income is now just 3 clicks away. Stealth software turns web pages into a content videos in 3 clicks, free traffic for 5 years, and it took just 2 minutes. Use it and copy us today. Copy, paste, click, create for free traffic and sales. Again, content videos working since 2015. So Mark, the guy behind this whole product, actually does the same exact thing for 5 years. He used to record all of his videos manually, but he essentially created this piece of software for himself and he releases it to the public, to people just like you. So you can create videos. Again, how it works is you just grab any URL, any link, and you can turn it into a video, amazing looking video, you know, with all of the graphics, all the intros, outros, music, and everything else. Everything is included, and it's all done literally in minutes. Okay, so let's scroll down. Let's just hit on some key points right here. So obviously this can be you know, used by anyone that wants to make money online or generate free traffic from YouTube, obviously. And again, no video creation is really required because these videos are done for you, they are created for you. So scrolling down here, obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. VidInc, this is the name of this new product, and this is my VidInc review. Some proof right here. You know, they will have a little demo right here, and I'm going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always for you guys to check out. And this will actually be a 20-minute video going through the whole process. Okay, so very detailed video. Again, you can use this for free traffic. 5 simple steps. You can just pick a ClickBank product and find a great article about the niche, copy the article, create the video with the use of VidInc, and then rinse and repeat. Super simple. And obviously this can be used for affiliate marketing or e-com or CPA marketing or selling your own products or whatever else you want to sell online. 2 to 5 minutes, it's all it takes to create these videos. And as you can see, you have a little FAQ in the end and a 30 days money back guarantee. Go through all of this in your own time. And let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so I'm not going to be actually creating any videos right now. I'm going to have a separate demo showing you exactly how to do it, but I'm just going to go through all of the features right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have the dashboard. We have total created videos, total pending videos, YouTube uploads because VidInc actually links to your YouTube account. So it's not like you have to create a video, then open another browser tab, go to YouTube, log in, upload it. This is all done automatically for you. Okay, So essentially how it works, again, you can just grab any URL from any website. It doesn't have to be your website, this can be any website in the world. Then what the software does, it grabs all of the text and turns it into a speech to text video, and you can add images, you can add again an intro, an outro, some music. All of this is done for you, and some images if you want to. And you know, we have a huge gallery of images and music files to choose from. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. As you can see, you have all the created videos, the lists, and everything else. Then we have the site video. Okay, so we have the video creator right here. This is where you're going to be creating your videos. So as you can see, all you have to do is just enter a URL right here and click submit. That's all you do. Okay, then we have the keyword search. So obviously you can do the keyword research from within the video. So this is very useful when promoting ClickBank products, so you can find, like, you know, different problems people have with you know, the products that you're going to be promoting, and obviously the product will be solving these problems. Okay, then we have the video editor. So as you can see, let me just click on it and show you how this looks like. So again, what we have here is the video configuration. So we're just going to add the title and then select the video that was already created. Then we're going to add the intro and outro and then finalize. So this essentially makes the video look much better than just any ordinary video. Okay, then we have the rebrander, and all you have to do right here is, again, use a website URL or a YouTube URL, or you can do a YouTube search as well. Then you can also link up to your YouTube account. So we have a single upload, multiple uploads. So obviously you can create multiple videos and then just mass upload them to your YouTube channel. So again, you don't actually have to log into YouTube. You just hook this up once and it's all done automatically for you. Then we have the image editor. So with the image editor, you can you know, upload any images from your computer, or you can create these images from scratch. Obviously these images will be added to your video. So again, you can use ready-made images, or you can create these for you. So let me go back right here to show you all of the other options. Then we have gallery. So we have image gallery, we have video gallery, and we have audio gallery. So as you can see, we have tons of different images you can pick from. Then we have the video gallery. So obviously these are stock images you can use. So these will just make your video look much better. And then we have the audio gallery, because obviously every single video has to be completed with a cool audio. So these videos will be looking amazing. You can sell these for hundreds of dollars. And obviously if you want to use these videos for yourself to generate free traffic, you know, you want to be using high quality videos, and this is exactly what VidInc will be creating for you. Now another cool thing is that you can actually access JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank from within the software. So as you can see, we have the marketplace search, we have the top sellers for all free platforms, and then we have social links as well. So you can actually you know, create backlinks to your videos, and you know, we can track all the social media shares and everything else. Okay, then we have the settings. That's the last option right here. So obviously right here you're going to be adding your YouTube account, and that's the only thing you have to do, just add your channel right here. Okay, so guys, these are all of the options, and again, I'm not going to be creating these videos right now, but I will have a full demo for you guys to check out. So again, if you're on my YouTube channel, the video I will upload right after this one will be the demo video, and the video below this video, if you're watching on my blog, will be the demo video. So check it out. This is a full 20-minute walkthrough to show you all of the options, exactly how they work, how to do everything, and so on. Okay, so all in all, what you have to remember is just you grab a URL, then VidInc does all the work, and then it's up to you if you want to add images, intros, outros, music, images, music, etc. Okay, so it's totally up to you how it looks like. You can use the video as is, so essentially you're getting text to speech video, and you can create these in under a minute. Okay, Let's check out the funnel and the pricing right now. So as you can see, VidInc will be opening at 11 a.m. Eastern on March 4th with a super low early bird price for just $19.97. Okay, super low, and then the price will be going up to $21.97 at 3 p.m. the same day, and then the price will be going up actually to $27. Okay. So this is the main product, everything that I just showed you, and we have some one-time offers, some OTOs. Okay, so VidInc Pro, that's OTO number 1 for $67, and we have unlimited video creation. You can create videos with more than 400 words. You can record your own audio. You have all language voices. So I didn't even mention it, but you can actually do these in a number of different languages. And with OTO number 1, you have all the language choices. Okay. You can add bookmarks in the video, you can add logo in the videos, you can add a lower third for the video. You're also going to get an image editor and an option to repost multiple times. So that's OTO number 1, VidInc Pro. OTO number 2 will be VidInc Expert for $47, and this is another add-on that allows you to rebrand existing videos. You just enter a URL and you will get all related videos from YouTube. You're gonna get a rebrand video editor. You can search for hot affiliate offers from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. You're gonna get best performing products bi-weekly via an email alert, and you're also gonna get done for you campaigns with guaranteed affiliate approval. Okay, so that's OTO number 2, Expert. VidInc OTO number 3 is VidInc Traffic, which means that you're gonna get daily buyer traffic for 12 months. Quick setup, training videos included. Essentially that's $97, and if you want more traffic, then this is it, OTO number 3. And VidInc Agency OTO number 4, $197, which means you're gonna get an unlimited license, bonus page, bonuses, templates, and training included, which means that you can essentially use VidInc if you are a marketing agency, or if you want to just charge other people to create these videos for them. Okay, so these are all of the OTOs, and again, these OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But if you want to take massive action, like with the Pro version OTO number 1, when you get unlimited video creation, or maybe you want the agency license, totally up to you. You can pick one of these up, but you'll be fine with the main product alone. Now guys, as always, right here on my blog I have a full written review, and this will include the funnel. So everything I just mentioned is also in a written format. This will include a written review, and this will include my bonuses, because as I mentioned, I have well over $3,000 worth of bonuses for you guys if you'll decide to pick up VidInc through my link. And again, VidInc will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on March 4th, excuse me. So first of all, I'm going to give you 6 custom-made bonuses, especially for this promotion. So number 1 is funnel secrets, number 2 video secrets, number 3 traffic secrets, and 3 additional bonuses on traffic. Okay, so you're getting a total of 6 custom-made bonuses from me. You're also going to get a reseller's license to 3 of my top-selling products: Instabit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. I'm also going to give you a done for you pack with done for you campaigns, emails, evergreen funnels, and much more. You're also going to get Buyers List Ninja. This is my own course on creating a buyers list. So obviously, if you already have all the traffic, the best way to actually use it is to create a buyers list, and this is a course showing you exactly how to do it. Obviously, you can sell these videos on sites like Fiverr, so I'm going to give you 3 of my top selling Fiverr courses: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. So everything there is to know about making money on Fiverr with videos or with any other gig is right there. You're also going to get Newbie Traffic Formula, VidSkippy 2.0, that's actually a software. Hookum, a great course from Mark and Venkata as well. Flip Me, a course that I launched with Mark and Venkata a couple of years back. Tube Traffic Avalanche, very useful, and also some additional plugins. WP Facebook Quiz Creator, mobile 2-step opt-in generator, Viral Source, In Content Pop-Up Pro, Video Focus, Smart Commenter, Soshi Quick, and a case study on free traffic. And on top of all this, you're getting some additional softwares. Okay, so you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin based sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Code Call to Action. And I'm not done, because you're also going to get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and Product of the Day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means it will bring it up to a total of $3,275. Now guys, I already mentioned I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can go through all of it if you want to really check out what's on the inside. And this will include this VidInc review sum up. And as you can see, just to sum up this VidInc review, this is 100% newbie friendly, simple 3-step process to creating videos. You don't have to record anything, you don't have to do any optimization or using any other software like Camtasia or anything else. Simply enter a link, click, and get a content video ready for you in seconds. Zero manual work. You're gonna be getting free traffic from content videos starting today, and obviously you can also sell these videos if you want to. Full text-to-speech voiceover included, and obviously you can make these videos look much better with the intros and outros and music and images and additional videos that everything is included inside. No tech or video skills needed, no websites, domains, or additional costs, and this is a cloud-based app, which means that you don't even need to install anything. Okay, so guys, again, if you want to pick it up through my link to get all of the bonuses, please do so. Just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now guys, before you go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus after you will pick up VidInc through my link. Again, click on one of these blue links from my blog, go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus, so click on your icon on the top right corner right here, go to your purchase history, find VidInc or any other product that you got through my link, and once you're going to click on it, below the button that says click to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you're going to claim my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts or any of it, and this is all done automatically for you. So guys, again, I really like this product, that's why I decided to review it. Essentially, you're creating videos in minutes, and what you do with them is totally up to you. You can have one channel, you can have 10 channels, you can sell these, you can actually upload it to YouTube for your clients and charge even more money. So once you have these videos ready, you can just do so many different things to actually monetize it. It's not even funny. Just go to Fiverr, do me a favor, go to the video and animation category and see how much money people are charging for super simple gigs. Even just an intro normally costs like up to $15. So you can do so many different things to actually make money with this. And obviously all the video training is also included with this. I didn't show you the video training, but it is included with this. Okay, so guys, this was my VidInc review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like it on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. And again, VidInc will be going live on March 4th at 11 AM Eastern. Use my link to pick it up to get all of the bonuses, and I will be seeing you super shortly. Ciao.